There are no problems, only situations. It is all in how you approach them. Well, this is going to rankle up a lot of people who are seeing problems everywhere, and a whole lot of people think creation itself is a problem and they're going to solve it. No, creation is not a problem. It's just we are born here, it is a situation. How we conduct the situation within ourselves is entirely ours. How we conduct the situation around us is subject to various realities, but the moment you label it as a problem, it will become a distress within you. So it's very important, from birth to death, your birth is also a situation, death is also a situation, in between various situations. All these situations, no matter what is the nature of the situation, whether it's happening the way you want it or it is not happening the way you want it is all about realizing that you're here to experience life. Without situations, you cannot experience life, especially if situations are challenging, which some people may think is a big problem. If they are challenging, if they test the limits of your competence and really make you feel like you're in front of a wall, but when you manage to climb across or break through that, that is where your experience of life is enhanced. So, do not call anything a problem. This is a simple way to approach life. Life is just a series of situations. Every situation has millions of moments. When you can only experience a given moment, situation is still a psychological thing. You put together a million moments and say this is a situation. The only reality is you're in the moment and this moment's experience is entirely determined by you. So if you take charge of this one thing, no matter what kind of situation you're placed in, you will be able to come out well. Well does not mean you came out the way you wanted, not necessarily. Life need not always happen the way you want it. The important thing is, you came through it joyfully, enriched by the experience of those situations, and in the end, you are a very enhanced and enriched life, and that's all that matters. Namaskar.